Judge, this is the case of Bridges.
Thank you.
Yes.
You all may be seated. Mr. Bridges, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I found out that she has a little bit more money, and I wanted a little bit more for the child.
Okay. How old is the child?
12.
How did you find out she had more money?
The child told me.
What? You asked the child or the child told you?
Oh, the child told me. Came back from visiting with her and is like, Mama has more money.
What? Where did he say this money came from?
He didn't tell me. He kind of only heard little bits. I think it's from the life insurance policy that she has, and only way I think of that is if she got a loan. Oh.
Ma'am.
He's lying.
Ma'am, when I get to you, you'll have your opportunity to speak, okay? So, the child said life insurance?
Yeah, they said something about like life, so I'm guessing it's a life insurance policy, and the only way to really do something with that
When did he tell you this?
Wait. Hold on one second, sir.
Yes,
let me let you know how this goes, okay? I do all the question asking. You address me. Do not address each other. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Now, is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
I mean, the child did tell me what he believes she was using it for.
What did he say she was using it for? Because I think that matters.
No.
Purses?
Purses?
Yes.
Purses? What kind of purse? Like the one she has on the table there?
I don't know purses, so I can't say. I just know that he said Mama's got new purses.
Oh, okay. So Mama, tell me about these purses.
All right, guys. We're diving straight into courtroom tension as Mr. Bridges steps up, frustrated and fired up. He's been raising their son solo for nearly 4 years, but here's the twist. He claims the child told him the mom just received a major check. The judge has to cut through the noise immediately because both parents are locked in a blame game. What grabs attention? The mom admits pulling out a $30,000 loan against her child's life insurance, but says she spent it on handbags. The courtroom vibe flips from confusion to disbelief as priorities are questioned and tempers rise.
What? I'm an interior designer, so I have to make sure that I match with everything I wear.
Okay, and you have to make sure that you have the money to buy that, right?
Well, I go bargain shopping.
Okay.
There's a lot of good purses out there, but I go shopping for my son too, so, I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know what he's saying.
So you're saying that your son didn't tell him that you took money out of a life insurance policy?
No.
Well, let me ask you
I don't
this.
think so.
Did you take money out of a life insurance policy? It's
Maybe.
a yes or no, it's not an
Yes, I
Okay,
did.
so he was not lying then. You called him a liar. He's not lying about that. You took money out. How much did you take out?
$30,000.
$30,000 out of a life insurance policy to buy purses? What kind of purses are you buying?
A lot of purses.
Like what? What kind of bag is that?
It's a Michael Kors.
Okay, you know what? You obviously came here to waste my time. You did. As an interior designer, how much money are you making?
I'm not making.
That was not
matches
my
what he said.
question. As an interior designer, how much money are you making?
$60,000.
$60,000. So you took out a loan against a life insurance policy for $30,000. That's half of what you make as an interior designer. And you did it to buy bags. You didn't do it to spend on this child. Who does the child live with?
Him.
Child lives with him. And has she given you any money additionally for the child?
No.
Ma'am,
I've
what
given
do
him
you
some.
have to say about that?
He's lying. Puro mentiras. You're just lying.
I don't even know what you just said, so I'm not gonna even entertain it. Let's talk about the monies, okay? So at $60,000, I'm gonna calculate your gross for that. And I'm also gonna calculate that gross for that $30,000 that you have. Where is that money housed right now?
Buckle up, guys, because this is where the courtroom clash turns into cold calculation. The judge digs into the mother's indus. Income, $60K a year, plus the $30K she took out, all while Mr. Bridges handles full-time parenting. When she tries to say the insurance money is somewhere safe, the judge cuts through the excuses. Then comes the real kicker. She hasn't contributed a single dime to her son's medical or school expenses. This moment puts everything in perspective. Her silence says it all. As the judge starts calculating support, you can feel the weight of justice closing in.
It's in my account somewhere.
So, don't play with me. In your account somewhere. in like a bank account sitting? You're not doing anything with it?
It's somewhere safe where he don't need to be touching it.
You know what? Well, he's definitely getting ready to touch it because I'm getting ready to do these numbers. The $60,000 a year, I have your gross at $4,800. Your net for that is $3,935.18. Then on that $30,000 that you have in a safe place, the gross is $2,500. I have your net, let me make sure this is right, $2,144.63. Total net of $6,079.81. Who carries health insurance for the child?
I do.
Okay, how much is health insurance?
About 120.
120, okay. Is that for you and the child or for the child only?
Child only.
Okay, child only. And I see here, you did not ask for medical reimbursement. I'm just gonna have you continue that coverage, okay? You continue the coverage for that. And then at a later date, we may entertain reimbursement for her, but you didn't ask for it today, okay?
Understood.
So, net $6,079.81. That bring your child support amount to $1,215.97.
I mean, ugh.
You have anything else to say? You want to tell me about some more money you have in a safe place so I can make that child support amount go up?
No, I don't.
Okay, so you don't have anything further then, I'm guessing, right?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, do you have anything further, Mr. Bridges?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, well, you all are dismissed.
All right, guys, we've reached the final moment, and it's a reality check. The judge lays it down. Based on her income, she'll now owe $1,236.23 a month in child support. No more sidestepping, no more shopping sprees. The silence in that courtroom? Deafening. Then Judge Vonda drops a gem for every viewer. Even money from a life insurance loan counts toward your financial responsibility. This case wasn't just about money, it was about accountability. If you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.